let's do something like this. Mama buat konten lah. Can you please excuse me? Can you just, so we're gonna use this for speak. Facebook yang camera aku. Can you stop it? Funny. No, it's not. You think it's funny, but it's not. Okay, we're gonna do green again. I don't care. I love green color and I'm gonna use it. Dan je kat sini, dia macam comel ni. Comel, kalau pergi mana-mana boleh bawa guys. Okay, then use the darker shade. I'm gonna put a little bit black here. It's a black color shade. Over here. Ni mulut kau merah. Kau ni kenapa? Mulut kau jadi macam mulut ayam ni. Dia sakit. Mulut dia jadi macam mulut ayam, betul kan? This one is shading. Habis apa? Kau ingat belakang merah? No, it's not. Habis lampu aku. Lampu ni tadi elok-elok mau buka dah habis dah. Aduh, okay, ni berusaha untuk shading. Korang jangan campur-campur brush, nanti dia jadi